T140V gearbox oil change. Before you do anything, make sure you can undo the filler, have a good clean around it. So last thing you want to do is be draining any oil out and you can't get any back in. What I have noticed though, that the pinch bolt for the kickstart is actually going to interfere with it, so I'll get that swapped over and then we'll get that loosened off and drain some oil out. Alright, I've cleaned around the drain plug. It's not the best angle to get into this one. And undo the 11/16 nuts of the big one. Just crack it off. The drain can underneath. This is where oil goes everywhere. Plug is also the filler level plug. You've got the thicker 11/16 on the bottom, that is your drain plug, and then right underneath that you've got a 7/16 bolt that needs to come out, and that is a level plug. So what we'll do, we'll strip all this down, give it a good clean, new seals etc, ready to go back on. So we'll get a new washer on there and a new one on the bottom of that. You see there's a lot of oil in there. I'll give it a good clean out. So I've cleaned that out. Make sure you can actually see all the way through that the hole's clear, because that will give you your level. If it's blocked, you'll end up putting too much oil in, or not enough, and you won't even know. New O-ring fitted, new copper washer to bung that up when we're done. So we'll let the rest of it drain off for half an hour and then we'll go fill it up. Right, the book calls for 500 millilitres of mineral oil, so we'll chuck some of that in. And the way to do it is you add oil until it comes out the level plug in the bottom. And he stops dripping, the level's right. What I'll do, fill the plug back on. I've put the plug in already in the bottom. Quick clean up, check for leaks, job done.